Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Listen, we're gonna dive deep today. We're talking about the paleo diet, man. It's all about eating like our ancestors, right? But here's the thing, a lot of people are screwing it up. They're making some critical mistakes that are totally sabotaging their results. Today we're gonna break down those mistakes and I'm gonna give you the straight dope on how to fix them. Stick around to learn how to truly optimize your paleo lifestyle and get the absolute most out of it. Alright, let's talk carbs. Carbohydrates have gotten a bad rap over the years, but it's time to set the record straight. Now I know what you're thinking. Joe, isn't paleo all about ditching the carbs? It's a common misconception that all carbs are bad. And yeah, it's true, we're not talking about pounding loaves of Wonder Bread here. Refined carbs and sugars are definitely not what we want. But the truth is, our bodies still need carbs to function properly. They are a primary source of energy, especially for those who are active. The key is choosing the right kind of carbs. Not all carbs are created equal, and it's important to know the difference. We're talking about the complex carbs found in fruits and vegetables, man. These are the carbs that provide lasting energy and keep you feeling full. Sweet potatoes, berries, and other nutrient-dense foods are excellent choices. Leafy greens, these are your friends. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They provide sustained energy, fiber, and essential nutrients. Incorporating these into your diet can make a huge difference in how you feel. Don't be afraid to incorporate them into your paleo diet. It's all about balance and making smart choices. Trust me, your body will thank you. Embrace the right carbs and enjoy the benefits of a well-rounded diet. So, you're all about that paleo life, huh? You've ditched the processed foods, the grains, and the dairy. You're embracing the way our ancestors ate, and that's awesome. You're probably thinking, meat, and more meat. After all, cavemen were hunters, right? So it makes sense to load up on all that protein. And hey, I get it. Meat is delicious, it's packed with protein, and it's a cornerstone of the paleo diet. It's satisfying and can be prepared in so many mouth-watering ways. But let me tell you something, even good things can be overdone. Too much of anything, even something as tasty as meat, can lead to problems. You gotta find that balance, man. Your body needs a variety of nutrients to function at its best. You can't just be scarfing down steaks and bacon all day long. It might feel great at first, but it's not sustainable in the long run. You need to make sure you're getting enough fruits and vegetables in your diet too. They're packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Think of it this way. Plants are nature's multivitamins. They offer a range of nutrients that meat simply can't provide. They're loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and all sorts of other good stuff that your body needs to thrive. So, next time you're planning your paleo meals, remember to mix it up and keep it balanced. Alright, let's talk portion control, folks. This is where a lot of people trip up, even on the paleo diet. Just because you're eating healthy foods, doesn't mean you have a free pass to gorge yourself. It's all about balance and moderation, my friends. Think about it. Our ancestors didn't have access to unlimited food like we do today. They had to hunt and gather, and sometimes they went hungry. So, even if you're eating all the right things, if you're eating way too much of them, you're still gonna pack on the pounds. You know what's a recipe for disaster? Winging it. When you don't have a plan, everything can go haywire. That's right, not planning your meals is a surefire way to sabotage your paleo progress. Imagine opening your fridge and finding nothing but chaos. Think about it. You're tired, you're hungry, and you have no idea what to eat. It's a frustrating situation that can lead to poor choices. What are you gonna do? You're standing there, staring at an empty fridge or pantry, feeling lost. You're gonna reach for the easiest, most convenient option, which is usually not the healthiest. Fast food, junk food, anything to fill the void quickly. But when you plan your meals in advance, you take the guesswork out of eating healthy. You have a clear roadmap for your nutrition. You know exactly what you're gonna eat and when you're gonna eat it, so you're less likely to make impulsive, unhealthy choices. Meal planning sets you up for success, making it easier to stick to your paleo goals and enjoy delicious, nutritious meals every day. Now let's talk about fat, baby. For years we were told that fat was the enemy. But the truth is our bodies need fat to function properly. The key is choosing the right kind of fat. We're talking about healthy fats like the kind you find in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats are essential for hormone production, brain health, and nutrient absorption, so don't be afraid to incorporate them into your paleo diet. In fact, embrace them. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you know about the paleo diet, the better equipped you'll be to make it work for you. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video, friends.